This is my 2013 Acura TSX with a tech package. Yes, it's a V6. Anyway, I'm getting ready to replace the factory infotainment system. There's only one problem with replacing the factory infotainment system in this car, and it has to do with the HVAC visual display. In the tech package cars, here's a control, and this is where you get your visuals on what's going on with the function selected. So here you see the temperature adjustment, your flow control, and your blower speed. Once you take this stereo system out, or infotainment unit if you will, you lose all that information. The AC still works, you just don't know what's going on with it when you select the different functions. I'm going to be replacing this system with a Kenwood, and from what iData has been telling me, once you replace this infotainment system, the aftermarket stereo and the iData will not display the HVAC information. So that's my challenge. Now I believe I can get it to display. If not on the Kenwood, up here, where this display unit is, I should, and I know I will get it to display up there. So stay tuned for this interesting challenge I'm going to take on.